Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so pairing goes smoothly. Power on your PS4 and verify system software is up to date. Outdated firmware can block connections. Next, put your Bluetooth device into pairing mode and make sure it's discoverable. If you're pairing a dual shock 4, connect it with a USB cable first to register it. Once done, navigate to Settings, Devices, Bluetooth Devices to let the PS4 search and list available devices. Start the pairing now. You'll see discovered devices populate the list. Select the correct device name to begin pairing. If the console asks for a PIN, try common defaults like 0000 or 1234 because many accessories use simple codes. After pairing, make sure the PS4 assigns the device for the right purpose. Go to Sound and Screen and set audio output and output to headphones if you want game audio. Also check controller settings so input and audio routes work together. This prevents. You're almost done. Test voice chat and game audio right away to confirm everything is routed correctly. If the device misbehaves, remove it from Bluetooth devices and restart the PS4, then re-enter pairing mode on the accessory. That clears transient handshake errors. Remember, the PS4 doesn't support every Bluetooth profile. If audio still fails, use an approved USB dongle or wired connection. That single troubleshooting tip usually fixes compatibility issues quickly, so make sure to try it before giving up.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.